Hello, dear friends. I am Durgesh Sirsagar, Assistant Professor in English, Sri Dnanesh Mahavidyalaya, Navargaon. Today, we will talk about biography. Friends, we have already talked about a short story. In unit number 3, we have to learn three things: short story, biography, and autobiography. This is the second thing that we are going to learn, the second genre we can call. It is a literary genre, biography. Actually, biography is a book, a story of life of one written by another one. When suppose if I am writing a story of the third person or another person from his birth to death, we can call, or till his life, that can be called biography. There is a slight difference in between biography and autobiography. That is, biography is written, biography is a life story written by some other person on any other person, about his life, about the incidents of his life. And biography is a life story of ourselves. If I am writing my story, that will be considered as autobiography. If I am writing another story, another life story, so that can be considered as biography. I hope you are getting me. Let us turn towards next slide. Friends, before turning towards the slides, we will come to know what we will learn in this lecture basically. So in this lecture, we will come to know in this what we call the series of lectures in biography. We are going to learn meaning of biography, origin and growth of biography, features of biography, problem faced by a biographer, and qualities of an ideal biographer. So these five things have to be learned in this lecture of series. Okay, a series of lectures. Sorry. Let us move on towards the next slide. Uh, First of all, we will know about what is the meaning of biography. Biography is an account of a person's life written by someone. As I already told you, biography is nothing but a, a story of someone's life, another life. If there is another person, and if I am a writer, and if I am going to write his life story from his birth to generally death, एक्चुअली होता ऐसे है कि जनरली मोस्ट ऑफ द बायोग्राफीज लिखी जाती है बर्थ से लेकर एंडिंग तक, मतलब डेथ तक। 90% से लेकर 95% तक हम देखेंगे कि बायोग्राफीज जो लिखी गई है वो लिखी गई है जन्म से लेकर मृत्यु तक। सो बायोग्राफी का मतलब ही यह है कि किसी दूसरे की स्टोरी की जो ट्रू हो, कि जो सत्य घटनाओं पर आधारित हो, वो स्टोरी उस आदमी के जन्म से लेकर मृत्यु तक लिखी जाना, दैट कैन बी कंसिडर्ड एज बायोग्राफी। ये हो गई बायोग्राफी की छोटी सी डेफिनेशन। व्हाट अबाउट द वर्ड, ये वर्ड जो है बायोग्राफी नाम का, ये आया कहां से? तो चलो देखते हैं। एक्चुअली द वर्ड बायोग्राफी कम्स फ्रॉम द ग्रीक वर्ड बायोस। बायोस की मीनिंग क्या है? बायोस की मीनिंग है लाइफ। एंड ग्राफीन, दैट इज ग्राफी, द अनदर वर्ड। इफ वी पार्ट बायोग्राफी इनटू टू पार्ट्स, बायो एंड ग्राफी, तो बायो का मतलब है लाइफ, एंड ग्राफी दैट इज ग्राफेन इन ग्रीक, उसका मतलब है टू राइट। सो टू राइट द स्टोरी ऑफ लाइफ, टू राइट about life, to write about the life of another person, that can be considered as biography. This biography is a literary genre, and this genre has come into prominence from the second half of 17th century. जवळपास 17व्या शतकाच्या मध्यान्नात म्हणूया, पूर्वार्धात नाही तर 17व्या शतकातला जो मधातला जो भाग आहे, जवळपास 1750 म्हणूया आपण, सॉरी 1650च्या नंतरचा काळ, त्या काळामध्ये ही जी बायोग्राफी आहे ही उदयास आली असं म्हणायला काही हरकत नाही. So as I already told you, birth and death of two events almost included in every biography actually. This one, birth and death of these two events means, if suppose I want to write biography, suppose you want to write biography, so what you will do, you will start the biography from that person's birth, and you will write about his childhood, you will write about his younghood, you will write about his adulthood, you will write about his old age, and at the end your biography will be concluded, will be ended with death of that particular person. So it could be the sequence of biography. There is a person, there is a writer called John Dryden. According to John Dryden, what is biography? Let us read the history of particular men's lives. मतलब ये पर्टिकुलर मेन के बारे में, पर्टिकुलर पर्सन के बारे में लिखी जाती है, नॉट ऑल. इफ सपोज आई एम अ कॉमन पर्सन, नो बायोग्राफी will be written on my life. There should be uncommon, there should be a person with good characteristics, a person with lot of event and deeds. This can be a feature to write the biography on that particular person. So that is what he John Dryden says about the meaning of biography, one can call. Friends, in this 2 or 3 slides we came to know about meaning of biography, what is biography, and what is the difference in between biography and autobiography. Now hereafter we will come to know origin and growth of biography. So first of all, let us see what we have learnt in the earlier slides. In earlier slides, we came to know about the meaning of biography. Biography is an account of person's life written by someone else. We parted biography into two parts, bio and graphy. So bio means, in if we talk about Greek meaning, Greek word bios, it means life, and graphen means to write. So please keep in your mind, please note all this down, because it could be asked, all this could be asked in your examination. uh, Now after this we came to know about this biography word, or biography had been started in the second half of 17th century. Biography is nothing but the life story of from the birth to death, and the what you call the definition by John Dryden, that is the history of particular man's life. Uh, all this considered, the meaning of biography. इन इन 2 या 3 स्लाइड्स में हमने जाना कि मीनिंग क्या है बायोग्राफी की, बायोग्राफी का मतलब क्या है. तो ये हो गया मतलब. नाउ आज के लेक्चर में हम इतना ही पढ़ते हैं. इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी विल कम टू नो अबाउट हाउ द biography is originated, how the growth, how what you call the development was occurred of biography according to centuries. मतलब 17th सेंचुरी से लेकर 19th 20th और 21st सेंचुरी तक, मतलब आज तक बायोग्राफी जो है वो कैसे डेवलप हो गई, कौन कौन से राइटर है जिन्होंने इसको डेवलप करने में प्रयास किया, All these things will be learnt in the next lecture. Thank you.